In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Bitrix24 for beginners. If you're new to Bitrix24, you're probably wondering how to get started and make the most out of this comprehensive platform. Don't worry, you're in the right place. We'll explore the main menu and highlight the key features that are most beneficial to begin with. Let's dive right in by exploring the most essential sections of the main menu in Bitrix24. Starting with the CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, this is where you'll manage both your customers and your sales processes. Think of it as your command center for keeping track of all clients, current, past, and prospective. Here you can log all interactions, track sales performance, and ensure that you maintain excellent customer service at every stage of the sales pipeline. Whether you are onboarding new clients or nurturing leads, the Bitrix24 CRM is designed to help simplify these processes and maximize efficiency. Next up is tasks and projects. This area is vital for managing your work and collaborating with your team. You can create tasks assigning specific responsibilities to your team members, set deadlines, and monitor progress, all in one place. It's like having a virtual project manager at your fingertips. By keeping all your tasks organized here, you're able to streamline your workflow and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. This segment is particularly useful for project managers and team leads who want to maintain a clear overview of their team's workload and progress. Then we have the Messenger, an instant messaging tool designed to help you communicate seamlessly with your team. This tool supports everything from quick text messages to video calls, making it ideal for both quick check-ins and more extensive team discussions. It's a lifesaver for remote teams, enabling straightforward communication and making sure everyone is on the same page, no matter where they are in the world. The calendar is another crucial feature where you can schedule meetings, plan events, and keep track of important dates. It's designed to help you manage your time efficiently and ensures you and your team never miss a deadline or important appointment. Integrating your calendar with other tools like your email and tasks provides a comprehensive view of what's happening and when, helping boost productivity. Don't forget about the Drive, Bitrix24's file storage and sharing service. This function allows you to store all your documents securely and share them with team members easily. It's especially useful for accessing important files on the go or collaborating on documents with colleagues. Plus, with permission settings, you can ensure that the right people have access to the right documents. Finally, Copilot, Bitrix24's AI assistant, is here to make your life even easier. Whether you need help with navigating the platform or automating daily tasks, Copilot can guide you and provide insights to improve your workflow. So there you have it, an introduction to the main menu functionalities that are essential for beginners on Bitrix24. Each section offers specific tools that can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your business operations. Once you're comfortable with these foundational features, you'll be well on your way to mastering Bitrix24. Thank you for watching and happy navigating.